Hello, good day. My name is Chris Njoko. Today we'll be looking at a simple payroll system on MS Excel. Simple payroll system on MS Excel. So these are names of employees of a particular organization, and then this is their pay per hour. And then this is the total hours they worked in a month because their payment will be on a monthly basis. And then this is the overtime rate per hour. And then the overtime hours that these individuals worked. So we intend to look at the gross pay, the income tax, the loan repayments for some that may be on loan, and then insurance deduction, pension, and then net pay. For some persons, this might not be applicable. This might not be applicable. But of course, everyone has to be taxed. And then everyone has to save for pension. So before I go further into this, I want to first convert every digit here that involves pay to currency. So currency. So this is the pay per hour, and then the overtime pay per hour. So convert to currency. So now let's move forward. In order to calculate the gross pay of an individual, you have to multiply the payment per hour by the total hours worked by that person. And then you also have to consider the overtime the individual has worked for the rates that's applicable to that individual per hour. So let's use the very first person, John Igwe, for a start. So the gross pay of John Igwe should be equals to Igwe has worked for 140 hours, and this is the payment. So it's a bracket. This is the payment per hour multiplied by the total hours worked by Igwe. Close that bracket, and then we add whatever Igwe obtained for normal working hours to what he obtained for working overtime. And so to get what he obtained overtime, we open up a bracket as well and say we multiply the payment per hour for overtime that's accruable to Igwe by the hours Igwe worked. Then we'll close the bracket. Then we'll press our enter key. So this is the gross pay for Igwe. So to autofill for others, we drag down. Now this is the gross pay. Having gotten the gross pay, we have to calculate the income tax for each individual, starting with John Igwe. And so let's say the income tax of everyone here is 0.2% of their pay. So we say equals 0.2 multiplied by the gross pay. So we'll press the enter key. So this is the income tax of each individual. So we can drag this down. Mind you, 0.2 is not constant. It depends on the country's income tax. In some cases, it could be state. Let's assume this is 0.15. Press the enter key. You can see that it's much lower. You drag down. It can as well be 0.6 or 0.5, 0.05 as the case may be. So let's move forward. I just did that so that we understand that it's not constant. Now, let's assume some of these individuals are on loan and then they have to repay whatever they have borrowed. So on a monthly basis, let's assume that different individuals will be deducted different amounts. Then some of them are not on loan, so you will meet whoever that is not on loan. Let's say Igwe is on loan, and then every month, 1,000 naira is deducted from his pay. So, and then Kichi is not on loan, but Musa is on loan, and then every month 500 naira is deducted. So Ken Bode is not on loan. Chima is on loan, and then what is deducted from him on a monthly basis is 450 naira. And then Chika, every month 700 naira is deducted for loan repayment. So for insurance, insurance is a personal thing. Some persons will say from my take home, please deduct 0.05 on a monthly basis for insurance. So let's assume all of them are on insurance. So let's deduct 0.05% of their gross pay as their insurance. So we can say 0.05 multiplied by the gross pay. So on a monthly basis, John Igwe has authorized the payroll to take away 11,000 every month for insurance. So let's drag down for others. You can see based on that very percentage, this is how it is. So for some, they will tell you deduct 0.02%, so it's not constant. So this is a simple payroll system. The advanced payroll system, we could alter each individual's insurance payment by bringing in the percentage that they would want to be deducted. So now let's move to pension. Let's say for pension, each individual will be giving out 0.02% of their pay. So let's say equals 0.02 multiply by the gross pay. So this is what you will be giving out on a monthly basis for pension. So we drop down. So now we want to calculate the net pay of each individual. Now the net pay of each individual should be the gross pay, which is this F4 minus income tax, loan repayment, insurance, and pension. So what we now do is that we open up a bracket so that we can bring in all of this and add them together for the minus to be active before them. So we'll say plus this, plus this, plus this. So what we have done here is that we have added up all the deductibles, everything that is meant to be deducted from their gross pay has been deducted from it. So we now hit and enter key. So this is the final take home, the net pay of John Igwe. So we drag down for every other person. So this is just how to prepare a simple payroll system. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to the Simplifier YouTube videos. There are so many other videos that will be coming your way from time to time. At the time this video was made, there are close to 60 videos already in the channel. Do yourself some good by watching these videos and grow in its self skills. Kindly subscribe and then share these videos to others. Thank you for watching.